cannot believe that February is almost over. In a couple days, March is going to be rolling in, and we'll be sending you the monthly to-do list, which we are starting this month to do a printable PDF. So those of you that don't like to carry your phone around in the garden, you can print this off, leave it in a notebook, put it in the potting shed, whatever. But as we are going into March, especially if you're in USDA zones 9 through 11, gardening season for annuals is at the apex. I mean, we are really reaching the crescendo of the annual vegetable season. And this time of year, the food forest is waking up. It's just starting to bud out. Mangoes are in full flower. Peaches are even setting fruit a little bit early this year. So there's a lot of things that really need to be done in the food forest to get ready for the coming season. So there's a couple ways that I want to just put on your radar, if it's a good fit for you, of different ways that we might be able to help you as you enter the food forest season to ensure a little bit more abundance this year. So first of all, coming into March for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be doing a sale on consultation and design services. So you can find out more info on that at permaculturefx.com. The second way that we might be able to help you, if you've already got a food forest, you've already got a garden, you're already, rocking on the homestead, and you just need help with mentorship. You need a little bit more resources or ongoing classes. We do all of our mentorship now through Patreon. So you can go and reference all of the classes in the library. There's over 30 classes, plus a bunch of other PDFs, farm tours, short tutorials that can all be found on Patreon. And you have forever access to that learning library to learn and grow at your own pace. The third way that we might be able to help you is if you are local here in Central Florida and you are just overwhelmed and need some help getting your spring soil amending done, fertilizing, and a foliar spray, we can talk about how we might be able to come and bring those soil amendments to you. Typically what I do when I bring in soil amendments for people is I bring kind of my arsenal, because every tree needs something different. While some need a manure-based soil amendment, others might need bone meal or blood meal or azomite or Epsom salts or the foliar spray with probiotics. So if you're just overwhelmed this year and you don't have the time or the ability to do that on your own, we'd love to see if we can help you get there so you reach a little bit more abundance this year in the food forest. Thanks so much for taking time to listen. You'll be hearing from us here in about 4 or 5 days with the March gardening calendar and homestead to-do list. As always, have fun, and I will see you in the garden.